Simple tasks like brushing our teeth, taking a shower, and eating are part of our everyday routine. But uncontrolled hand or arm twists, bends, or movements that may be related to conditions such as cerebral palsy, spinal cord injury, Huntington's disease, Parkinson's disease, or post-stroke deficits can make these activities frustrating and stressful experiences.
What about this one?
Working with patient advocates and their families, the Liftware team developed a new technology to make the various tasks of daily living second nature again.
Amazing.
We started with empowering our users to once again feed themselves with ease. The Liftware level is an electronic handle that recognizes what position your hand is in at all times and works to counteract any unwanted movements so that you can relax and enjoy the company of those around you instead of worrying about the task at hand. The Liftware level starter kit includes the leveling handle with a hand strap, a soup spoon attachment, and a charging cord. Charging the level is easy. Simply plug the charging cord into a USB outlet, remove the attachment on the handle, and connect the handle to the cord. When you eat with the Liftware level, you can focus on the best parts of dining. We can't wait to bring Liftware level to you or your loved ones.
People together. It's more than a time for nourishing the body. We nourish our spirit and our relationships. But tremor, whether from essential tremor or Parkinson's disease, takes away from this experience, forcing people to focus instead on the basic task of eating. Currently, there's no cure for these disorders, and the solutions out there often fall short or are invasive. After seeing some of my own friends struggling with their tremor, I realized the frustration, loss of dignity, and social isolation that tremor can have. I wanted to create something that would allow people to go out to restaurants or simply enjoy a meal without stress. We invented the Liftware spoon to cancel hand tremor and take the frustration out of eating. For the first time, we have the technology to actively stabilize a person's tremor in a device so small that it fits in your hand. The spoon works by sensing a person's tremor and intelligently stabilizing itself to make the food's journey from the plate to the mouth much easier. Liftware is designed to be part of your life. The device is small and portable so that you can easily take it with you when you go out to eat. It's comfortable and effective because Liftware allows your hand to shake, while the cancellation technology in the handle stabilizes the spoon. It's proven to be effective. In clinical trials, we measured on average more than 70% reduction in tremor for different eating-related tasks. It's easy to clean, and it holds a charge for several meals, so you can place it in the charging cradle whenever it's convenient. We're proud to offer a product that allows people to take control of their tremor. When you eat with Liftware, your tremor retreats into the background of the meal, so you can focus on the best parts of dining, the food you're eating and the people you're eating with. We can't wait to bring Liftware to your life. Okay, go ahead.
Pick it up and put it in the
Cup.
cup.
Yeah.